Okay, another quick video about these resistance of vision kits. This is the way I recommend going about it. Build up the bare minimum on the board before you and try and program it before you continue and build the rest of it up. So you can see all you need to put on the board is whether we can get in that close, the chip, the crystal which is on the back, or with a crystal keep it a little bit clear of the board so it doesn't short onto the tracks. And then you need the two crystal capacitors, which I'm afraid I lost one of the little surface mount ones, and I've put this little ceramic on there temporarily until I can get another surface mount. And you need those two components there, which are labelled, you may not be able to see them, but they're R3 and 104. That's the reset circuit. And over here you need the ISP connector, and you don't think you need to put them in, but I put R1 in because it's another 104 resistor, and I'll put the little capacitor in, the little surface mount capacitor, 104 again. So I think the resistors are 103, isn't it, 10k, and the 104 capacitor 0.1 microfarad. Put that in because it's the same as the reset circuit one, although it doesn't actually need to go in yet. So that's all you need to build up on the board. And then this is the programmer. Again, this is a little FTDI, and that's a little bit of Veriboard, and all it does is put the signals in the right order for that connector and put a switch in the 5 volt line. So that goes onto there, and that plugs onto there, like that. Sorry about this, trying to do it left-handed because I'm holding the camera. Right, I'll get rid of this light now. I've updated my program now so that it works with this older version of the bootloader. So you can see it's now on, you see that we're on version 0.5. So, excuse the wobbly camera work. So on there, you need to select the right COM port. Come on, focus camera. There we go. Select the right COM port for your FTDI. There's only COM5 on here at the moment. If I come back here a bit, I'll try and get this in the shot as well at the same time. Whoops. I may not be able to do this, but I want to click on read chip info and then flick this switch here, and you should see it read. So here we go. Read chip info, unhandled exception. Let me try again. Was it because I went on COM5? COM5, read chip info. Right, it's trying to read it. Switch the power. and you can see we've now got this extra sort of form showing the low level communications over the serial port, which you can ignore. But now we're on version 5 of the program. You can see it's managed to read the chip, even though we're on this older 3.8C version of the bootloader. So now we navigate to where the hex file is, load it, and it appears in here, and make sure we've got the high speed chip thing set, and I'm going to do upload and then switch the board back on again. I've just switched it off. So there we go, upload, tells us to apply the power, and you can see there it's uploading. And if you're interested, you can see all the low level stuff that happens here to actually upload it. And there we are, we're done. So that version of the programmer 0.5 is now available on my website if you want to use that rather than the STC one. Thank you.